Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to show you what is included in the All Hands on Deck page kit. If you haven't picked up your kit yet, please check the description below this video and you'll find a link to my Etsy shop where you'll find this kit as well as many other fun projects. I put together page kits as well as mini albums. And if you follow me on Facebook and Instagram, I'm always posting sneak peeks of upcoming projects. So let's dive right in. So this is a 2-page layout. Pages measure 12 by 12. Super cute Mickey here. Okay, so you will receive a set of instructions printed in full color. You'll receive step-by-step how to put this together, as well as some larger photos and additional images to help in paper piecing. You will receive two 12 by 12 background pieces. You will need to trim off the barcode, so trim it down so they measure 12 by 12. You will receive your photo mats. These you do not need to trim. These are already cut for you to size. Just go ahead and glue them down when you're ready. The large pieces will be loose in the kit. They come just like this. You will need to use a fine tip black pen to fill in the connection points here. Otherwise, these would all be individual pieces. So I have created these little connection points. So it's one piece, glue it down, take a pen, draw a line. The instructions are also printed in the kit for that. You'll receive an individual baggie for each image set. There are some small pieces in here, so be very careful not to lose them when you're putting this together. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please click the like button if you have. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button. Click on that bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.